Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a background on your live on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like live, video, go live, chat, and me. Tap on go live. There you're gonna see options like live, audio live, game live, etc. You're gonna have to stay on live. Then right beside go live option, you're gonna see a small one like icon. Tap on it. From where you're gonna see two options, mask and background. Tap on background, then you'll see categories like custom, new, fantasy, cool, illustrations, and if you scroll, you're gonna see more. Go ahead and look for the background that you want to add, then tap on it. Then go back and tap on go live from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you set a background on your live on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.